Hi there, I'm Tyler from Food Liability Insurance Program, or as we also call it, FLIP. Ever wondered what errors and omissions insurance is and how to know if you need it? I'm here to help answer these questions for you. Errors and omissions insurance, otherwise known as E&O, or professional liability insurance, can cover claims arising from errors, negligence, or other mistakes related to your professional services. Instead of covering your physical products, errors and omissions covers you while you're providing a service, like teaching a cooking class or running a seminar on how to start a food truck business. If a customer is unhappy with the information or instruction you give as part of your services, they could sue you for damages. This coverage can protect you from paying out of pocket if this happens. Like any type of insurance, errors and omissions policies have exclusions, or certain claims they will not cover. In most cases, E&O won't cover intentional misconduct, bodily injury, property damage, and expenses related to a criminal case. With any insurance policy, it's important to review your coverage and make sure you understand what's covered and what isn't. So how do you know if you need errors and omissions insurance? If you're in the business of giving professional advice, such as teaching a cooking class or consulting people on how to run a food business, you need errors and omissions insurance to protect your business from potential claims. At FLIP, we call errors and omissions professional liability insurance. Different name, same coverage. You can add professional liability insurance to your FLIP policy for just $10.42 a month. We offer $100,000 in coverage per occurrence with a $200,000 aggregate limit to safeguard your business from expensive claims. Cost of a base FLIP policy plus professional liability coverage can be as low as $36.34 a month and provide your business with the comprehensive coverage it needs. Just start our easy online application and select Add when asked if you want to purchase professional liability insurance. Finish checking out and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. For more information on the different coverages we offer food and beverage businesses, visit flipprogram.com.